Hey everyone, I'm just on here to give an update on my 90 Days to a New Me challenge. I went on a vacation recently, which you've probably seen some of the videos. I still have a few more videos to upload on our vacation to Madrid, Spain, Portugal. We just went all over, but we had a great time. And yes, I didn't stop eating and I enjoyed everything I was eating. I had some great pastries there and I was having fun. But when doing that, you end up also gaining some of the weight that you've lost back, and it's been a little frustrating because I haven't been able to get it off. I feel like this time doing this challenge has been a little bit harder than normal, and it's frustrating when I know I should be further than I am right now. But I'm not giving up. I'm still pushing through. I have 20 days left. Over here, you're going to see my current weight. And over here, you're going to see what my body looks like right now. I am doing whatever I can to make it to the end and actually see some results that are going to make me feel a little bit better about how it turned out. So again, the why it happened is because life happens, and I went on vacation and I enjoyed myself. Another reason why my weight and everything has been off is because I have been a little stressed at work. I was told I was going to change my schedule, and then when I came back from my vacation, I was denied that change, and now they keep on going back and forth saying we're going to change your schedule, and I'm still nowhere near getting changed. So it's been stressful in those ways because I was looking forward to getting stuff done for myself and my health by going to doctor's appointments and taking care of me and not having to worry about who's picking up my daughter, because I would have been able to on my new shift. But unfortunately now those stressors are back, and I've had to cancel appointments and reschedule appointments and look at my schedule and be like, I can't do these appointments, and try to find someone to help out with my children. So with that being said, that's another stressor, that your hormones can be off balance and your weight can just be up and down and all around. So again, I'm just going to work through it. I'm going to proceed on, and I'm not going to let it fail me. Going forward, I am watching what I'm eating. I'm counting my calories, making sure I'm getting my carbs, my protein, my everything that I need. I'm doing my macros, and I am writing down and taking notes and putting it in my phone, and I am watching every little thing. I did give up my Dunkin' Donuts coffee for Lent, and I haven't had it, and I plan on not having it probably till the end of this challenge. Yes, it has been hard. It was harder knowing that Dunkin' Donuts was over there, and I told myself I could have it while I was on vacation, and when I got there, they didn't know how to make my coffee, so I didn't have it, which I guess in reality that was a good thing. I didn't need it to ruin my challenge. I do want to do another one. I'm probably going to plan on doing it after mine and my son's hike. It'll probably be mid-June or end of June, and I'm just going to do a 90-day challenge where I challenge myself to lose the last weight that I really, really want to lose and gain muscle and tone. My arms are looking toner. I do see it in my chest up here too. Unfortunately, I can't see it in this outfit that I'm wearing, but I do have my problem areas like most people, and little things that we all say we don't like. And for that, I plan on working on it and fixing those little bits. So I appreciate everybody watching, encouraging, and pushing me through to the end. I just want to let people know that, things do come up, and not everybody can stick with something. It does happen where you fall off, but instead of falling off and giving up and just sitting on the couch and saying I'm not going to do it anymore and failing that way, I'm pushing myself through to the end, and I'm going to see results that I feel like I could see in 20 days as long as I stick to it. So again, I went on my vacation. I want to say they had no gyms at every place we stayed at, and the one place that said they had a gym, and I'll put some video or some pictures of how their gym looked, it was unfortunately horrible. They had 2 sets of dumbbells. They had 2 kettlebells. They had some jump ropes. They had no mirrors. They had no treadmill. They had no bike. They had a yoga ball. They didn't have much of anything, and it was pretty sad. And what made it worse was when the owner says, "I never seen anybody go in our gym." He was so excited to hear that I was going to go in the gym, and then I was like kind of disappointed, and I wanted to say, well, the reason nobody's going in your gym is you don't have the workout equipment that people want in a gym. And again, I'm going to put some video and show you guys what it looked like so you can see what I was dealing with. I kind of came out of that gym a little discouraged and wanting to not work out. But instead of doing that, I went for a run. And I was more happy with my run. And I felt like I should have just went for my run to begin with and not ever have gone or stepped foot in that gym. But again, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're trying to get through your challenges and you're not having bumps and turns and turmoils throughout your challenge. If you are, I just want to encourage you that even if you mess up 1 day, 2 days, 5 days, 7 days, however many, it's still okay to start over. It's still okay to push through to the end and redo it again and do it better the next time. And that's what I'm trying to say to everybody, that we can all learn from our mistakes, and we can all learn, well, I don't consider it a mistake. I consider it enjoying my life, but we can all learn from it, and we can all move forward, and we can all push on and start over and continue. Those are the things we all need to look forward to. So again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, anything you want to know, please put it down below. I will definitely check them out. I will comment back. I am just grateful again for everybody who's been watching my channel, and I'm going to keep pushing out content as much as I can. Again, I'm the type of person that likes to do everything, and I want to show everyone everything. And unfortunately, I know I don't have one niche. Like everybody says you need to have a niche. I don't have a niche. I just enjoy everything, and I want to show everybody what you can do, that everybody can do whatever their mind set them to. I have an art background, and I love to do everything arts and crafts, but I also love to get my hands dirty and work in my yard and garden and just be one with nature. I love to go on hikes. I am just a well-rounded person who loves just about anything. I love doing puzzles. So I want people to know that my channel, I know, does not have a niche. I'm just me, and I'm just here to show you what I can do and what I do. And if anybody likes what I'm doing, I appreciate everybody just coming along with me and checking out my channel and growing with me, because that's all we can do. Again, enough rambling. If you like what I'm putting out there and that I'm doing everything and anything, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Again, thank you all for sticking around, and I look forward to doing another 90 days challenge. I don't know. I probably will change it up. Well, I'll do some workout. I don't know. And you guys can follow around and laugh at me for how I'm doing it, and if I'm doing it wrong. I don't know. But for now, I'm going to finish this one out. And again, I'm going to say it wasn't a failure. I am a little frustrated, but I'm going to proceed on, and I'm not going to give up. Giving up would be stopping now and not going back to doing it. And I have been back in the gym since I came back from my vacation, feeling great, and my workouts have been good, and my food is back on track. So I hope everybody else is following along, keeping with their challenge, and if they want to do another one at the end of June, middle of June, you're more than welcome to come join me. I just wanted to come on and say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.